Calling all teachers. Are you a future teacher that is looking for exciting ways to connect with your students? Or are you a current teacher stuck in your traditional teaching methods trying to figure out new ways to engage your students? Well, I have news for you, current and future teachers. There is a solution. Have no fear, Zaretta Hammond is here. Her book, Culturally Responsive Teaching and the Brain, Promoting Authentic Engagement and Rigor Among Culturally and Linguistically Diverse Students, has the power to turn your classroom around. You may be asking yourself, how is this possible? Well, it's quite simple actually. Through the implementation of these 3 simple steps, you will be able to successfully implement culturally responsive teaching into your classroom. The first step is building awareness and knowledge. Second, building learning partnerships. And third, building intellective capacity. Through CRT, you will learn how to help dependent learners become independent thinkers, how to connect with your students at a deep cultural level, and how the brain plays a major role in culturally responsive teaching as well. Still having doubts? Check this out. CRT will help you understand the importance of building learning partnerships as well as shifting students' negative academic mindset to a positive academic mindset. Last but not least, Hammond will help you by equipping you with new culturally responsive teaching strategies, tools, and resources that you can begin to implement in your classroom ASAP. So what are you waiting for? Close that computer screen and open up CRT by Zaretta Hammond today.